Hi guys, I'm going to unbox the Pac-Man mug. So I bought this at Checkers for 20 rand. So I'm so surprised for this one. So I open this one. So the I Love You is horrible. I actually bought that one from Checkers, the supermarket. This is a nice one. Let's open it. Okay, so we got the mug. And that's all in the box. Waka waka waka. Okay, we got the Pac-Man mug and that's it. So let's make some coffee.
Like record now.
It changes color. I love it. Never buy the I love you. Only a Pac-Man. Mom said, yeah, you got a Pac-Man.
Yeah, you saw it fast. Grab it from the shawarma.
Yeah, so it's in the Checkers up.
You love him?
Alright, let's have some coffee in the Pac-Man mug.
Craig,
Thanks for watching on my video of the unboxing
I think
channel.
maybe we should sleep on it.